Okay, ladies and gentlemen of the press, we have a statement today which is on the Finance Bill 2023. Last week, Azimio la Umoja One Kenya coalition raised concerns about the Finance Bill 2023, which was published on Friday, 28th of April, and tabled in Parliament on the 4th of May, 2023. We said the bill prepared by the Kenya Kwanza regime is a punishment that Kenyans cannot and should not entertain. The bill proposes amendments to various tax statutes, including the Income Tax Act, Value-Added Tax, Tax Procedures Act, and the Miscellaneous Fees and Levies Act, among other laws. We raised the concern that a number of proposed tax measures will have significant negative impact on taxpayers. These include introduction of 16% VAT on petroleum products,